Welcome to another video. Today's topic is factorizing, part 1. Factorizing is basically the opposite of expanding brackets. Okay, so to factorize, for part 1, you basically take the biggest common factor. So you have 2x squared and 2x. The way you take out the biggest common factor is you find the biggest number, okay, that can be taken out of both of these terms, and the biggest power of a letter that can be taken out of both of these terms. Okay, so in this case 2 can be taken out because you can divide both this term and this term by 2, and x because you can divide both x squared by x and x by x. Okay, so this will give you x plus 1. Now you want to keep these digits as non-fraction digits. Okay, so if you did 2x squared, then you would get 1 plus 1 over x. This is still technically correct, but in exams, you would try to keep this as whole numbers and not fractions. Now for this one, the common factor is 3, since you can divide both of these by 3, x squared. So this is the lowest power. As you can see, this is the lowest power of the same letter for both of these terms. So you divide both of them by the smallest power, so x squared. Then you divide each by 3x squared and see what you get. This will be 2x plus 3. That's your answer factorized. Now for this one. In this situation, there is a number and 2 letters for each term. It's the same thing as before, but you would have to take into consideration the other letters. Okay, so in this case there's an extra letter, y. Okay, so a common factor for the numbers would be 5. A common letter for both of these terms would be the lowest power, so x to the power of 1, so x. And the lowest power for the y term, for the y terms, would be y to the power of 1 again, so y to the power of 1, and then you divide both by this common factor, so 10xy divided by 5xy will be 2, and then plus xy squared. You do the same thing for this one as well. So you look at each term, you have x squared y squared so you start off with the x. Are there any terms lower than x squared? Yeah, there is x to the power of 1. So you take x out, and then you look at the y. Which y has the lowest power? 1. Okay, 1 is the lowest power. So you take out xy, and then you divide xy by each of these terms. So xy divided by, so x squared, y squared divided by xy will be xy, and then plus y squared, and then plus x cubed. Now here are 2 examples. Pause the video and try and do this on your own. So for this one, the answer is x squared. Common factor is x squared, so 3x plus 6y squared plus y cubed x to the power of 2. This would be the answer, since x squared is the only common factor you can take out of any one of these. Okay, in this term there is no y, so y wouldn't be a common factor, and in this term there's no number that's divisible by 3, unlike the other ones. This is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 3, so you can't take 3 out. Okay, so already you cancelled out. So the only one you can take out is the x's. Okay, so you look at all the x's. The lowest power is 2, so you take out x squared, and then you divide each term by x squared, and you'll get this. Okay, so this will be your answer. For this one, first of all, you expand this bracket, 4y to the power of 5x plus 21xy plus 3x squared y. Find the common factor. So common factor would be, so let's start off with the numbers. There is no common factor you can divide both 4, 2 and 3 by. For y, the lowest power is 1, so y and then you look at x, the lowest power is 1, so yx or xy, same thing. Then you divide each time by xy or yx, so 4 to the power, so 4y to the power 4 plus 21 y to the power of 5. Actually, this is a 1. Okay, hold on 1 second. Alright, yeah, this will be 21, and then the rest would be 3x. So this will be your answer. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video, which will be part 2.